What are the common debugging techniques used in Java? वैसे तो बहुत लंबा लिस्ट है, but let's break it down to 4 basic. सबसे पहला अपना प्यारा सा प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट. कहीं भी कोड नहीं चल रहा तो ये जानना होगा कि कहाँ तक कोड चल रहा है. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन obviously is a print statement. You write a print statement at a place and understand whether it is entering in a loop or not. Then second technique is using debugger. IntelliJ जैसे IDEs में, Eclipse जैसे IDEs में you have a breakpoint. You can actually set breakpoint at a different point or different locations in a code. जहाँ पे यहाँ तक कोड चला क्या तो breakpoint यहाँ पे चल रहा है, यानी यहाँ तक कोड आगे चल रहा है. So that is a second technique. You can actually set a debug point. Third is a logging. Log4j जैसे applications है जो हम लोग रन करके टाइम टू टाइम लॉग एंट्रीज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं या कंसोल यानी कि स्क्रीन पे क्या क्या हुआ, कहाँ तक हुआ, ये हम लोग जनरेट कर सकते हैं. The fourth purpose is using a proper unit testing and so many other options. But yes, there are 4 things which I would say. Number 1, using a print statement to find out code कहाँ तक चला. Breakpoint to see कहाँ तक चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. The third technique would be working with log files to check what and how much is getting executed. Finally is doing a proper unit test or unit testing with a proper software. And one more concept I generally use it is called as a rubber duck method. What is rubber duck method? If your code is not running, imagine a rubber duck sitting in front of you. I do this. Although मैं imagine करता हूँ Hulk and then I start explaining Hulk how to solve the code. So the logic is simple. I go line by line. Like ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, इससे ये होगा, इससे oh, and then I realize where the error is coming. Along with debugging, you should also follow proper exception handling so that you can at least trace what kind of exception is coming. So this is a very commonly asked question nowadays because developers को debugging का idea ही नहीं होता, and to lot of fresher you will be working as a support staff, so you should know error trapping, understanding and solving. इसीलिए question काफी important होता है. But now I feel people are clear with this.